This is Steve, the owner, Steve Dunlop.
There you go.
Yeah. All right, Steve, world's fastest interview.
No.
What do we got here, mate?
Yeah, Robert Dunlop livery, Norton 588.
And obviously you've been a fan of this bike since...
Yeah, a long time. Love the roadies. They're just an extension of a two-stroke, really, for what I see, what it is. So, and the opportunity to buy this bike was here, so we took advantage of it, brought it to Australia, so it's been good.
And I mean, you know, this bike is the sort of thing that would be seen in museums and stuff like that, and you've been out riding it today. What does it feel like to ride? What can you compare it to?
Yeah, I can't really. It's like a two-stroke without a power back. It's just from nothing all the way to red line, or till it stops revving. Basically, it's just got such a smooth power delivery. It's nothing like any other bike that I've ever ridden. Certainly unique. Very nice bike, super light, well made, and the guys who've been looking after this, Dave Evans, has done a superb job of maintaining this bike and keeping it to the condition that it's in now. And I plan to, if I need to, I'll bring him over to fix the bike if he ever needed any work on it. So it's a beautiful thing, and it's an honour to actually own such a nice bike.
And just quickly go back, so what year, model?
So the frame is 1987, first frame ever raced by Norton, with an air-cooled engine in it. And as they developed the frame, it's a Spondon frame, as they developed the race team, and then they got the JPS sponsorship, they started to use the water-cooled engine. This is an RCW1 motor in it, which was apparently the first engine ever raced by Norton. It was a water-cooled motor, and the two put together make the bike in the Robert Dunlop livery. Full white power suspension, everything as it was raced in the 1990 era.
Nice. And we're going to expect to see this bike out at any other events, or?
Well, you know, for sure, yeah. We'll definitely have it out.
Very cool. Awesome.
Thanks, mate.